Hey guys, it's Hye-Felicia here, not by Felicia. So today I got a lot going on. I got some leftover food. I didn't make anything, so let me say my grace and then tell you what's on the menu. Amen. So if you hear noise in the background, that's Prada, who is gnawing on a bone. She's killing it right now. So what do I have? I have, y'all know Quincy didn't eat, all of that turkey leg. So that's the rest of the turkey leg. And then we have a potluck at our job. And, you know, some people's company's potluck isn't good, but ours is good. I have some homemade pierogies made by my coworker's wife, Geraldine. I think it's Geraldine, Jer for short. So we have that right there. We have some chicken curry, Indian chicken curry. And we also have lentils, dahl. And then we have some roti. So that's what we will be eating. So let me put this down so that you can see what I'm eating. Okay, so let's start. You guys ever had pierogies before? These are homemade pierogies. These are not Mrs. T's and all them other ones you have. These are homemade pierogies. All I did was I sauteed some onions. They're cheese filled, and then they also have bacon. You're probably going in. Those people have asked me what's Prada, what kind of dog she is. She's an American bully. These are so yummy. And it's pork, yeah, it's potatoes and pork inside there. Y'all, the turkey leg. So good. Y'all see me looking for more meat, and he didn't even eat all of his. When he came in, and he knew how big the pieces, the turkey legs was. And when he came in, I was knocked out. He saw a bone left. And he said, I know if he ain't eat that whole turkey leg. Just Felicia day up. Prada, you going in. You going in, y'all. I should make this the no drink challenge, but and it's right here. Yo, get that. Whoa. Let me chew my food all the way, y'all. Look at the fat, the skin. Y'all hear her? Okay. This is roti. So you take a piece and then you pick it up with some dahl. And And you eat it like that. Y'all, I got my nails done. I got them cut down. So they be getting stuck in the keyboard at work. Chicken curry. It's so good. I'm gonna some with the dahl. So this is basically the whatever I have in my fridge challenge. Eat whatever you have. I got a drink. Whoa. This is strong raspberry lemonade shine. From my bro. You be hooking our sister up. Chicken curry. I'm gonna chew my food all the way, so y'all be watching me. I'm gonna chew it. More lentils, more dahl. I brought some too. There's a new dang, I don't have the receipt. There's a new market. It's an Indian market that opened up in Milford. I went in there to get something to drink last night, and I bought the little chilies that they have to make the garam masala. I bought the little chilies. And I bought some the yellow lentils so I can make some dahl. I love dahl. Now let's get another. So this is a new fork. I had to buy some new forks. She got my heart. So yeah, my co-worker's wife made the chicken curry. We get her to make it every year. And my other co-worker's mom made the lentils. I love her cooking. She's my Sri Lankan mom. This is so good, guys. You know, I know how to make roti, guys, but you can buy them in the store now. And still ain't nothing like homemade. But, yeah. This smoked turkey leg. It's so good. Y'all got all kind of nationalities on my plate. Polish, My co-worker's mom, she's from Sri Lanka, so this is, I mean, Indians eat dal too, but she made it, so it's Sri Lankan now. Uh-oh. Fish and curry. And some turkey leg. I'm gonna take me a little nap. After this. Let's see. Wow, she's making so much noise. Yeah, I got on my onesie pajamas. So comfortable. It's polar bear. Yeah. I forgot to get napkin. Like that. So I made my plate. I gave Quincy 6 pierogies. Huh? I gave myself 4 because there was 10 left. I gave myself 4 pierogies, a chicken curry, lentils, the turkey leg, and roti. He looked at my plate and said, well, you could eat. He said he wouldn't be able to eat all of this. They ain't proud. I mean, she's going in, y'all. She's going in. Where am I? So guys, if you're a content creator, have you looked at the new rule guidelines from YouTube? Don't forget to mark your channels or your videos. You know, is it for kids and all that? I did mine. They're doing a lot of changes. So I think, was it YouTube got sued? I know somebody won. I listened to Be Love video. And somebody won their case for like $1 million. I'm gonna look that up. And I'm curious. Y'all, they changing. And if you got kids in your videos, they going all in your videos and disabling comments. So I went back to my older videos where I have my like niece and nephew, other, well, little kid, family member, and the comments are disabled in there. So I told my little niece Kylie yesterday, I said, Kylie, guess what? You know when you be saying comment, like, and share on videos? If you in a video and you a little kid, they can't even comment. That's crazy. Y'all hear her? My new Dolce & Gabbana specs. Prada. I'm gonna pick her up in a few minutes so y'all can see how big she got. Where's the bone? Oh, she trying to go in on that bone. I'm full, y'all. I'm about to eat these pierogies. Well, one pierogi left. They're so filling, guys. So I took, cause I made a deal with my coworker's wife. You get some extra mac and cheese, and I get some extra pierogies. Because they are so, I mean, you can be homemade pierogies. I got some turkey meat. It's like my tooth. So I took butter, sauteed the onions, let that cook for a while, and then put the pierogies in. So good. Now everybody's been asking me how I make the turkey leg. I brought the smoked turkey leg in the grocery store. They came 2 in the pack. I put each one in aluminum foil, and you can add extra liquid smoke if you want, but I didn't. But I put, I can't say it, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, some Cajun seasoning, and I don't know what else to put in there, but not too much salt stuff. And I baked it in the oven for a few hours. And that was it. Y'all look at the onion. I think I grabbed some curry chicken. Y'all. Yummy. To my tummy. Prada, come here. She's gonna come. I'm done, guys. I am done. Prada, come here. Let me move this. Let's see if she. Let me go get her. You know, I may be starting her a YouTube channel. Come here, Pride. I'll be right back. Come here, Pride. Bring your bone. Come on. Here's Prada. Here's Prada. Here, take your bone. Look. Look, guys, now she don't wanna, she like, what is you doing? Why you got me like this? Here, Prada. She ain't like she don't know what to do, y'all. But this is Prada. Say hi, Prada. Say hi. Uh-oh. Get it. She like, why you got me up like this? Whoa. This is my baby. Say hi, Prada. Say hi to the people. Look. Say hi. Here. Here. She don't wanna. She don't wanna get. Y'all see her little sweater? She like, put me down and let me finish my bone. This is my baby, right? It's my baby. It's my baby. So this is Prada, guys. This is the one that be making noise. She getting big, y'all, right? From when y'all seen her last time. Whoa, excuse me. She be burping too, y'all. She probably looking at my plate. Okay, say bye. Okay, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Right, Prada? Say subscribe. And remember, what you doing? Look at my hair. And remember, y'all, make somebody's day. Y'all smile. You look better when you smile anyway. Smile. Okay? Love on somebody. Okay. All right. Say bye, Prada, because she getting heavy, y'all. Say bye. Bye-bye. Say we love you all. Say we love you. We even love our haters. Yeah, we do. Because we got some. We got some. All right, guys. Peace. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, Prada. Bye-bye. Here. 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 What's your one? Yeah. Here. She's like, will you put me down? I'm about to put her down. Here you go. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm leaving.